All right, I wanted to show you a couple more examples here. So we have a cosine, and again, we can look at this equation and we can identify our amplitude is 3 and our period is 2 pi over 3. So I'm going to label this scale. I'm just going to label this as 1. Then I'm going to label this as 2 pi divided by 3. Click on done. And again, I'm going to move this over to the fourth mark. And now I'm going to start placing it. And it's a cosine. So cosine, again, starts high. Sine starts at the center. So cosine starts high, so I'm going to put a dot there. The next one would go to the midline. And then it's going to go low. Oops, I need to drag that over. I need to reset it there. So 3, 2 pi divided by 3. Oh, whoops, and I started at 3. That's okay. So I could say that this is 3. Drag this over to the fourth one. Middle, low, middle, high. And then we're done with that one. So we'll take a look at a couple more. So again, this one is 6, and I could say, well, I want to count by 1. So this I'm going to label 2 pi divided by 4. And again, I tend to drag this over to the fourth one. So it's going to start at 6 because it's cosine. Cosine starts high. So again, now this is 6 because our period is 2 pi over b. So this is 2 pi over 4. Midline is the center. Then it's going to go down to -6. Center and high. And you'll notice they have it really similar here, but you'll notice that theirs is a little spaced out. So you notice they dragged 2 pi over 4, pi over 2 further out, but they still had it divided into 4 even sections. So let's see how they do that. And again, I'm going to count by 1. So 2 pi divided by 2. And so I could drag this out. I could say here's going to be my first mark, my second mark, my third mark, my fourth mark. Cosine, so cosine starts at 5. So 5, but rather than going over 1 for the next one, I'll go over 2. Just to make it a little wider, go over 2 more, down to -5, 2 more, back to the center, 2 more, up to the height. So again, if you don't want to do it everyone, you could space it out a little bit more, and they even spaced theirs out further, did tick marks every 3.